Hello viewers, welcome to AudioViz 360. Today I have this Bose Sports Earbuds. So I got this from one of the subscriber. So this is the Bose Sports earphones, wireless earphones. So I'm going to replace the battery of this, as subscriber said it is completely dead. So I want to replace the battery of these both earbuds and see whether this gets turns on or not. You can see it is blinking like this. So if I close it, charging case is fine. So if I open like this, red and white is coming. Still I am taking this earbud out and putting it back. You can see white light is glowing now. After some time it starts blinking white and red. So alright, so let's open this and replace the battery. So I am going to show you to replace the battery of one of these earbuds. Other one I am going to replace it offline. So alright, let's replace it first on the right side. So first we have to give some heat over here so that the paste will be there. So we have to take off this half part here, which is in matte finish, and this half part is high gloss. So after removing this we can work it out inside. So after removing this we can see how to further go ahead. While removing, be careful, there will be so many flex cables or anything will be there which is dangerous. If you put extra pressure, then you may end up breaking those things and the earphones will be of no use then. So alright, let me give some heat and take off this. So I have given the heat over here, and you can see it is already, after applying bit pressure, you can see it is slowly coming off. So you can see here it is coming off. I cannot take off this in camera because it will be very difficult. I'm not able to show. After peeling this off, I can show you where flex cable is there, which side you can open, like that. Okay, so I have opened it very politely actually, because you can see there is a tiny flex cable going to this top part. So this is the flex cable here. You can see here one tiny wire goes to this part, that is for CTC button, and battery is positioned here. So we have to take out this battery carefully without breaking this flex cable. This is very delicate. My suggestion is, do not try this by yourself if you are not expert, because you may end up breaking this touch sensor. Then in that case your CTC will not work, then it is of no use then. So alright, now we have to take out this battery, and I am going to install this battery here. This is lithium ion polymer battery. The battery which is inside is lithium ion battery only, and this is lithium ion polymer. So both are almost same, and size is also almost similar. So battery backup you will get very good, and the quality of this battery is exceptionally good. This is first quality battery. I have personally tested it. So I have installed this battery in so many earphones. If you want me to replace the batteries of this kind of earbuds, so please do message on this above WhatsApp number. I am located here in Bangalore. You can send it through courier or speed post. I can replace it for you. So alright, now let me take out this battery very slowly, so that we can remove this battery without damaging any part of this earphone. So this tiny flex cable, we have to make sure that we are not going to harm it. So alright, let me remove that. I cannot show in the video how to remove, because it is very small and delicate work. Concentrating on video, it will be difficult for me to take out the battery. So finally I have managed to take out the battery without damaging the earphones. So these are the two terminals. Alright, now it's time to install the fresh battery, and let's see whether it gets turned on or not. Now I want to check the voltage of the battery. So let's see, there is two terminals here. This is the one terminal and this is the other one. So alright, now I'm just going to use this. You can see there is no voltage itself. The battery is completely dead. 0.0 voltage, 0.01 it is showing. So our new battery is fully charged, in the sense almost 70%. So let's see the voltage of this battery. You can see 3.93, you can see 3.94 is the voltage. So the battery is perfect. If we install this, hopefully this should start working. So let me do that. So finally I have replaced the battery. You can see this is the battery I have installed. So perfectly placed. Now just I have to paste it. If you want me to replace the battery of this Bose Sports earbuds, please do message on the above WhatsApp number. I will replace the battery behalf of you. And there is one more thing I want to tell you. If in case your earbuds are blinking like this, white and red, in this case, even if you replace the batteries, this will be behaving like this, because this is the standard issue of this model. Particularly, there is one more model. So if your earbuds are responding like this, red and white, then in that case you need not replace that. You need not replace the battery, because it will be behaving like this only. Same here, you can see, just install keeping this. So even after replacing the battery, white light will come, then it will start red and white, you can see here. Similarly, like this, I am doing this for this side as well. You can see white light is coming and red and white will start blinking very soon. Yes, so this is the Bose earbuds issue of this particular model, and there is one more particular model. So if you are not facing this problem and you have battery issues, like battery backup is very less, then you can send it to me here in Bangalore, and you can message to this number. I will respond to you. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit that notification bell icon, and write comment in the comment section below. I have uploaded so many videos in this channel AudioViz 360. Please go through it. If you like, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because if you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like these videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.